What be good? Hey guys, what's up? It's Kennedy, and today I'm going to be doing an experiment. Not really an experiment, but like a review kind of an experiment. So I accidentally left my clear slime outside for 3 days, I think. It was really an accident, but yeah. So I think I actually made it yesterday. I don't remember. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I made it yesterday. So forget about 3 days. But yeah, so I'm going to be showing you all the end result. And yeah, I'm really hoping it's going to turn out really thick. And whenever I accidentally left it outside, it was really sticky. So I'm hoping that kind of fixed it a little. So this is a red slime. But there is some like little black dots, and I'm really hoping that that's not bugs. And I might have to get out of this video real quick because my dog's outside and she might have to come in. So I'm gonna do it real quick. Oh, I'm so sorry. My dog had to come in, and there was a baby frog, bro. There was a baby frog, and it was so cute. It was like this tiny, like it wasn't a tadpole, but it wasn't like a big frog. This is how it looks. So it's dried on the top for sure, and it's been hot, but like hasn't been like super hot, which is surprising for Texas in the summer. I don't know what that is. I might have to get it out with the thing, but yeah. So I broke it, and it seems very sticky inside, but it seems like it cleared. I'm really hoping that it's not as sticky as it was. And it's stuck to the sides, obviously. This is like an avalanche slime, but like with clear slime. So I'm really hoping that this will make the slime thick. But I'm gonna... Yeah, this is not thick. Yeah, it technically turned back into glue. So it's very pretty. Yeah, but okay. So I'm just gonna set this aside, and we're gonna go make foam. Bro, this looks so pretty. Oh my baby. Oh my gosh. This looks so freaking pretty. Maybe if I just keep mixing it. Oh. We're gonna have to put some scent in that. I don't have any. I do have scent. Yeah, we're gonna put a lot. So, yeah, oh, and if you're wondering, that was the Tommy Bahamas Woman Body Mist. You can get it it was $6.99, and you can get it at Ross. I got it from Burlington, but I saw the exact same one from Ross. I don't know if you can get it from Target, but yeah, Amazon. I think Amazon sells almost everything. I know they sell slime. That's for sure. Yeah. So this was a fail, but yeah. So I hope y'all liked this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, or make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to become a part of the Watermelon Squad. And yeah, make sure to Bye guys. Have a good day or night. Bye. Wait. Okay, I'm acting so weird.